So can you replace your full-time income with Preply? That's what I'm answering today because it's one of the frequently asked questions. Can I replace my income with Preply? So in this video, I am going to break down the Preply income. I will show you the statements. The thumbnail was not lying to you. You know how we do it here. I will show you real statements, 2 statements. One of them will be from someone who is doing this full-time, and one of them would be from someone who is doing this part-time, so that this video can have some balance, right? Also note that Preply does not offer only English. You can teach other languages on Preply. I don't know if you were aware of that. So when I was researching this video, I did come across this comment on Reddit. This site takes 100% of your pay for your first lesson with a student. So if you have 5 lessons with brand new students, you are not making any money. After that, they take about 30% commission. This type of shit should be illegal in terms of business practice, and any teacher that has even a fraction of self-worth would avoid Preply like the plague. The site is a scam. Okay, so I'm here to tell you that this is not accurate, right? The first lesson is free. So no one is taking any money from you because the lesson is free. That's my understanding, unless I'm not understanding correctly. But I understand that when a student wants to try out, they would not be paying, right? That's my understanding. When a student is trying out a tutor, they would not pay, and then they can move to another tutor and have another free lesson until they find a suitable tutor. So that's when they will then commit to using that particular tutor. Okay, so this information is not correct. So before we go to the other comment, I would like to show you a statement from one of the tutors. So one of the lessons, he was charging $22 US. Other lessons, he was charging $28. Other lessons at $10, $9, $5. So it really depends. And they say tutor payouts 82%, right? So the platform does not take 30%, because if the platform took 30%, it would mean this tutor payout percentage was going to be 70%. Okay, so lesson price $22, earnings $18. So the 30% charge is not accurate, guys. Okay, so this person is doing this part-time. They don't log in every day, right? They are doing this part-time, and they did show me their lifetime earnings, which was over a year, because they've only been doing it for a year. So they did show me their lifetime earnings. We're just gonna go quickly, and this was in 2025, so the rand was still weaker to the dollar. So but this calculation is from today. You can see the 4th of February 2026. So these are their lifetime earnings, 190,000 in 1 year for someone who was really doing this part-time. This person was doing this part-time. They were not full-time in this, right? So you can see before we move to the full-time one, let's check out this positive comment, because it's very important to have a balanced views before we can make a decision. So this one says, I've been on Preply for about a year and it's been a solid experience overall. It took a few weeks to learn how to present myself well and figure out the best times to make my availability open. But once I did, I started getting consistent bookings. Some students have stuck around for months and meet with me several times a week. The site does take a percentage, but in my case, the trade-off has been worth it because I wouldn't have found these students otherwise. Sure. There you have it, guys. This person has had a solid experience with Preply. And remember, you can do English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Chinese, Arabic, Japanese, and Portuguese. I know someone asked me if you can't do math. No, this is only for English, right? This is only for English. And guys, use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, especially TikTok, to promote yourself as a tutor. Okay, do not wait for students to find you on the Preply app. You need to promote yourself as a student. And remember, it depends. You don't need to have a qualification, any qualification, as long as you speak English well and you can present, right? So, but if we have a specific qualification, maybe you are a medical student or you are a doctor or you are in business, you have a business degree, you can teach a business English. Okay, you can teach a business English, and also you can do medical English. If you have an LLB degree, law degree, you can do legal English, right? And those ones, that's where you can charge a bit more. When it comes to charging, I know some people will start small, like $5, but the more your rating goes up, the more students you have, then you can raise your rate. But no one is saying you must start with $5, guys. No, you can start where you want to start, and it also depends on how you present yourself. Like your video, is it welcome video? Yeah, your welcome video, how you do it and how you make your thing fun. Okay, because everyone has their own thing to make the lessons fun, and then the students will give you a good rating, and then you start upping up your lessons. But remember, when you start someone with $5, right, or $10, when your lessons go up maybe to $28, you're not going to change that. So you need to be aware. This is why on the statement you saw different prices, because you might find the other person booked you while you had at $20, because there are different reasons for tutors to raise their prices. So just know that it doesn't mean that once you charge $28, you're going to be charging $28 forever, right? So let's go to this last statement. This one you can see, right? It even shows you the location. So guys, if you're on Preply, you can work with people from all over the world, right? Then it shows you this is not a trial lesson. So this is why the tutor is getting paid. So when they were charging $28, they got $22. When they were charging $5, they got $4. When they were charging $9, they got $7. Right? So then we go down. Let's see the total for this month. So all the various countries you can see here, there was even, I think the highest here was $28. But guys, it just varies, you know. And there was one lesson. Do you see that one where he was charging $110? Okay, I don't know what's going on, but it says unused lessons, or maybe it was recurring, maybe. Okay, and unused lessons. That's why it was 110, right? Guys, I don't know who's trying out Preply. Who is trying out Preply? And I want to know. Also, when you let me know in the comments, please let me know your country. I know not only South Africans watch this video, so just let me know your country, where you are, and have you tried Preply, and how was it for you? You know, if you haven't tried Preply, what are you waiting for? Now, let's go. The total for this month was $2,583, which came to 46,326. So just to be clear, we have to be clear. You need to do your own taxes, okay? Please do not think this is your net income. This is your gross. And with Preply, I've mentioned at the beginning, you treat it like a business. Okay, so this is a business. You need to pay a provisional tax or company tax. It depends how you register. I don't know if they allow you to be paid through a business or if they want you to be paid on your personal account, right? So I don't know how the registration works. So at the end of the day, you just need to understand that at the end of the day, you still need to pay your own taxes. You need to have a tax consultant to help you with this. All of us, we are independent contractors. We pay taxes. We have accountants that are helping us with those things. Everything for me is registered under a business, right? Then I pay myself on the 25th of every month, okay? So you need to do the same thing. I don't know how you feel, guys, about Preply. Will you be trying out Preply? It sounds like a good one, especially in South Africa with all the unemployment going on, you know. So if you have matric or you have a degree and you speak well, right, and you have a computer, you have a working space, you also need to have like noise cancellation headphones, please, I would say consider Preply. You have nothing to lose, okay? And also give yourself time. Give yourself time. Do not rush it. Preply is one of those things that you cannot rush. You saw this comment here. They said it took them a few weeks to get their groove, and eventually it is now solid. Please like, share the video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.